My name is Andrea. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm traveling in India for about 2 months now. Started in Telangana, Warangal. I went all the way through Kolkata, then into Meghalaya, Assam, and now in Tripura. We started in Kailashahar to see the Unakoti rock carvings, really beautiful. Then kind of went to Agartala to see the temple and the Ajunta palace. Then went down to Boksanagar to see the Buddhist temple, then to Udaipur to see, the temple, the famous temple. And then we came to Dumbo Lake right now. We are currently here in the Majuroni nature camp. We stayed here for 2 nights. It's really, really lovely. It's a very rustic but very comfortable stay. As you can see in the background, we're literally right at the lake. So it's really beautiful, very quiet, very good sleep. So once you wake up, you open the door and then you're literally at the lake. The owner is really, really lovely, and also his caretaker as well. They really take care of all your needs. The food is very amazing. And Tripura is not, I would say, the best state for vegetarians because there's a lot of meat. But here they really make sure to cater to your needs. So it's been a really amazing stay. We also did a little boat ride.